Hello guys, welcome to the 12th video of the short HTML5 video tutorial series for absolute beginners. So in this video we're going to take a look at HTML links. So let's say you want to have a link on this particular page in such a way that anytime a user clicks on the link, that particular user is redirected to a different page or even to a different website on the internet. Now that is when we use HTML links. So to create an HTML link, we use the anchor tag, which is written like this. So we are going to have an opening anchor tag represented by letter A here, and then a closing anchor tag. So in between the opening anchor tag and then the closing anchor tag is where we are going to type the name that describes that particular link. Then also the anchor tag comes with an attribute called the href attribute, and inside the href attribute is where we are going to supply the link to where we want the user to be redirected to. So let's call this our link Facebook, and let's save our work. And as we can see, a text has been created here called Facebook. Now when I click on this, nothing happens. So I click on the link again, nothing happens. That is because in my href attribute, I have not supplied any link that the user should be redirected to. So let's do that. Let's go to Facebook, www.facebook.com, enter. So let's copy this link here, copy, and let's close this tab. And then we are going to supply the link we just copied to our href attribute. So let's paste it here and let's save our work. Now when we go back to our page and then we click on the Facebook text, which didn't do anything before, now we are going to realize that it's going to redirect us to the Facebook page we saw earlier on, which we are seeing now. So that is what a link does for us, redirection. Let's create another link, and we are going to have a tag. Now this one we are still going to supply the same. Okay, let's go somewhere. Let's go to Twitter this time around. So www.twitter.com. Okay, so let's go to the sign in page of Twitter, and I'm going to copy the whole of this link and paste it here in the href attribute of the second link, save. And now let's close this tab. So when we reload the browser, it looks like nothing happens, and that is because in between the opening anchor tag and then the closing anchor tag, we have not supplied anything to use to describe this particular link, because every link is either going to be described by a text or you can also use an image. So this time we are going to use an image, so img, and our source is going to be this image here, html_logo.png. So let's have html_logo.png. let's save our work, and as we can see, an image has been pulled in. Let's resize the image to make it a bit smaller. So we are going to have a width of, let's say, 50 pixels. Save. And so now we have a text here that says Facebook. If I click on it in the background, the link here is where we are going to be redirected to. So as we can see, we have been redirected to that particular link here. Let's go back. And so if I also click on this image here, we are going to be redirected to this link here, which is the Twitter link we saw earlier on. So let's click on it. And as we can see, we have been redirected to the Twitter login page. So that is how to create links on your web pages. I guess that is going to be all for this video, and if you have any comments about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel already, please subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when I upload the next video. Now in the next video, we are going to be taking a look at HTML input fields. I'll see you in that video. Bye for now.